Today we're going to be looking at the surface area of a hexagonal pyramid. Remember, the surface area is the area of all the faces. On this pyramid, we are going to have a base that is a hexagon. Remember that a hexagon has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the base of this pyramid will be a hexagon. From the sides of the hexagon are triangles. There will be 6 triangles that we're going to be solving for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this one over here would be 6. So today we're going to solve for 6 triangles that are all equal to each other, and then the 7th face, which will then be a hexagon for the base. In order to solve this, I'm going to first start with the base, and we're going to solve for the area of a hexagon. To solve the area of the hexagon, I want to think about there being many triangles that cover the whole base of this hexagon. So if you look here, I would have a triangle here. I could make a little triangle right there. From that midpoint, I can then draw another triangle there, another one there, there, and then finally one there. So if you can kind of see, there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 identical triangles. So if we solve for one of those triangles, then we're going to be able to know what all the triangles are and then add them together. So remember that in order to solve for the area of a triangle, the formula is base times height divided by 2. So on this triangle, I'm going to solve for this one. You can see that the base is 12 and that the height, which is that drop down point that goes straight up and down, is 6. So I'm going to do 12 times 6, and then I'm going to divide that by 2, and you get 36. So I now know that this triangle is going to be 36, and since all of these are identical, all of these are going to be 36 all the way around. So to find the total area of that hexagon, I'm going to now do 36 times 6, since there's 6 identical triangles. And 36 times 6 is 216. So now I know that the base, or that hexagon at the bottom, the area is 216. All right, now we need to solve for those triangles. And remember, there's 6 of them, and they are all identical. So I'm going to use the same formula, base times height divided by 2, to find the area of all of these triangles. So we're going to first solve for this one that's looking straight at us, because I can see that the base is still 12, because the base is really 12 all the way around. Every side is 12. So we've got a base of 12, and then if you can see here, this is the drop down point, and I can see that that's 18. So I'm going to do 12 times 18, and then I'm going to divide that by 2, and that equals 108. All right, so I know that that front triangle is 108, but all of them are identical, so all 6 are 108. So now I'm just going to do 108 times 6, since there's 6 identical triangles. You get 648. And that would be the area of all 6 triangles. So now I need to find the total surface area. So in order to do that, the last step is I'm going to add 216. So we're going to add 216 plus 648. When I add those together, you get 864. And we need a label. I can see that it's being measured in centimeters. Area is always squared. So the final answer is 864 square centimeters.